Hello everybody. So a little small video to explain the base of MVVM. MVVM, you've got three things: the repositories, the view models, and the views. Remember, views are activities and fragments. So in the repository, you must have the method for example for retrofit call, your API, your Firebase, your location, why not? And for the example, the list. This is the example. So what's happening? View model asks to repository to receive the list. After that, view model makes actions with the list result. Okay? And the view model says to the view, hey, something new. So show on the UI. And like this, the view says, hey user, I had to show you this because it changed. New sort is asking, so that's the new list to you of users. This is a very simple explanation of the MVVM. So now let's do it in Android Studio. So let's have a look to the application. So you have main application. Now you can do it. Okay, don't forget to place the main application inside your Android manifest, of course. Okay, we've got the repository list mock repository with a companion object. We've got our MainActivity view model with, of course, the list mock repository and the main application. We've got our view model factory with the companion object and the parameter. And we've got the main activity and with inside the binding and the parameter of the main activity view model. Let's have a look on the build Gradle. On the build Gradle, we have the implementation of the view model and LiveData, this one and this one. And of course, for the view binding, we've got the information to use view binding. Okay, so let's go. So now let's create the data class. Let's call it user, and of course, data class. Let's put inside val user last name string val user first name string val user age int. Okay, so now let's close all like this and go back to the list map repository. And let's simulate and create a list. Here it can simply, when you would like to retrieve information from retrofit, from an API, etc. So let's simulate some simple list. So get list of user LiveData list user. So inside val result equal MutableLiveData list string list user, excuse me. Yes, and let's create a list mutable list user equal array equal array list. So now let's create some user inside. So user So let's create some name and some last name and first name. Why not John? And for the age 24, let's copy and paste several times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so another one on and Paul, why not? So Tiberius and Steve and Eduardo and Jessica. Carino, Reno, Einat, and Maria, and Silva. That's it, Silva. Wow, it's better. And so result dot post value list and return result. That's it for our list mock repository. We can do everything with the age. You can do the same with the John, etc. For inside the view model, MainActivity view model. Okay, so let's continue. So go back to MainActivity view model and imagine you would like to sort your list only when something is true and not false, and you would like to sort your list with the age. So for that, we need 3 parameters. One for the Boolean, one for the integer, and one for the MediatorLiveData. So private is start to sort MutableLiveData equal MutableLiveData equal MutableLiveData Boolean. That's it for the Boolean. Now we need same thing for the age. So age to sort MutableLiveData equal MutableLiveData equal LiveData integer. Okay, and of course now we need the MediatorLiveData. So private val result of sorting list MediatorLiveData equal MediatorLiveData for the list of user. And now let's use the init to create the different method. So first of all, we would like to rescue this live data inside our MainActivity view model. So for this, let's do get list to make sort live data list user equal list mock repository get list of user. First thing to do. Now we would like to put the different variable as the boolean, the integer, and the list inside the mediator. So result of sorting list MediatorLiveData dot add source get list sort server. We need the same to add source of is start MutableLiveData server, and the last one result sorting list MediatorLiveData at source page sorting guess observer, and inside we would like to combine. So combine. So it is start sort value MutableLivaData value and age dot value. Let's do the same in the same order like this or this one. So and get list to make sort value it and age to sort value, and for the last one fine get list value is dot value and it is it value okay age tuk 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 not yes I don't want the combine because this one is the combine inside of Kotlin, but I don't want this, so I would like to create by myself the combine like this. So of course delete the import and alt enter and create the function like this. So users course so is start to sort and the value age to sort like this. Okay, so yes, no, so we had to set on the activity both of them is mutable live data. So for that, fun set age to sort table live data or live data. So age sort int and age sort so value equal age to sort. Do the same for the boolean. So fun set value of is start to sort. So is start to sort boolean and is start to sort boolean value equal start, and the thing to do is fun get list to retrieve the information that we would like to have for the MediatorLiveData. So for this, fun get list sort live data list user and simple return result sorting list MediatorLiveData. That's it. Inside for this application is really simple. So if users equal null or start equal null or age to sort equal null, return. That's it. So now if start to sort is true, we would like to do this sort of list. Okay, so if start to sort, so let's create a list mutable list, yes, user equal another list, and for user in users, if user dot user age is better or equal to age to sort, okay, so list dot add user, and if yes, and result dot value equal list, yes. So now we've got the method inside the view model with the combine for the MediatorLiveData. So now go back to MainActivity. Before, just one thing, I already made the information inside, so we've got an edit text, a button, and text view. So as you can see, we've got the button, this one, yeah, the text view for this one for the result, and the edit text where I would like to put the age to sort the list. Okay, right, so let's call the method MainActivity view model. We would like to get list and observe this and observer. Let's put loggy, for example, list sort, list sort, this, and let's have a look on .cat, and we can have the information, of course, in the .cat, but let's put another thing. If it dot is empty, when the list return an empty list, so we would like to find the person on the age of 95, etc., etc. So pending dot TV result sort list dot text equal nothing thing yes found for this age, for example, else pending dot TV result dot text equal it dot to string like this. Now we can observe, okay, but we need an action. This action is for the button, okay, for when we click on this button. So for that, very simple, pending dot pt dot set on click listener. So now remember, I would like to do the sort only with when the sort is true. So MainActivity, so MainActivity will also set value start goes true. So now we got the information, hey, something is changed. So if text util just to ensure no mistake, pending dot edit age list dot to string like this, or pending dot edit age dot text dot to string equal empty. So for that, let's put symbol dust, not with the capital T, but okay, symbol T. Right, so this and just enter and age, please. I prefer to put the this main activity like activity. Okay, else main activity only. So set age. So pending dot age dot text dot to string dot to int. Of course, because we need an int. Okay, need an int, right? So at the end, so remember we said that we only want to start the sort if the boolean is true. So we are putting the boolean to true. Now we need to pass after this to false. So main activity model. So set view false and ending dot detail dot text dot clear like this. Okay, so now let's run the application. So let's copy this to have a look on the logcat and let's run the application. So now we've got the application. Okay, so now for the moment nothing happened, as you can see. I have placed the age, so remember we've got our list. So we made a mistake. So we had to change, of course, the age. So why not 42? So 32. So 12, 66, and 47. Right. So let's rerun the application. That's it. So remember, we would like to have the list when we would like to have the age more than, for example, 42, etc. extra. So let's place, I would like to have 42. Okay, now I set. As you can see, the view melody say, hey, something changed. Okay, right. So it changed, so I put, right? So just one thing like this. And as you can see, we got the information. And if we put T2, have a new list, etc., etc., etc. Okay, got a little bit problem here. Why did not clear this? So what's happening? Like to clear the list after. So it's not done. Oh yes. Yes. I made a mistake. Of course, let's put this here. Right. Oh, just a mistake here. Okay, right. So let's rerun the application. Let's put 24. And now it's empty. It's better. And as you can see, you've got the list. And let's place 66 here. 66. You've got the new list. Okay. So as you can see, it's very simple to use MediatorLiveData, LiveData, MutableLiveData, and MediatorLiveData within simple way. Okay. So see you soon and bye bye.